What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Letitia and this is So Letitia. And for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Juvia's Place mystery box unboxing with you guys. I literally just made it in the door from work, saw that the FedEx driver had dropped it off in front of my door. So let's get to it. This is the box here. It literally has not been opened. I wanted to open this with you guys on film so we can all kind of go through that reaction together. So I came across this like a sale through Juvia's website. I want to say close to about a week and a half ago, and I saw that they were offering a August mystery box. And I'm like, oh, okay, you know, I'll go ahead and check it out. And I think it has like one lip, one cheek, one eyeshadow palette, and then some sort of like mystery something or another that they just don't tell you what, you know, they're gonna put in the box. And for all of that, it was only $16 and some change. Now I know they have done some, you know, like holiday themed mystery boxes. They've done them for Valentine's Day. I've even seen, if I'm not mistaken, that they've done them for Christmas in the past. In terms of like a monthly mystery box, I searched up and I really couldn't find any, you know, info on if that is something that they have done in the past, and I'm just now catching on. But hopefully, if, you know, the finds are good, then maybe this will be something, if they get enough good feedback, that they continue to do. I mean, I've pretty much been, you know, a fan of Juvia's since way back in the day. Who else out there still has their Zulu Palette? Raise your hands. I remember when they first came about, they were on Instagram, or at least when I saw them. This had to be about, I want to say about 4 years ago now, 3 or 4 years. And they were on Instagram, and I just remember seeing all the models, you know, all the pictures that they would have and how pigmented their shadows were. And I will never forget, I was so afraid to actually send in my money, because at the time you could purchase through, I think they had like some third-party type website. It wasn't strictly a Juvia's Place website. But I took a chance, I went on ahead and spent my coins, and that was how I got their Zulu Palette. And honestly, ever since then, I've been a big fan. That's actually, this brand is actually one of the first makeup tutorials that I did on my channel. I have taken the tape off the box. Again, $16. This is their August mystery box. It is supposed to contain one lip, one cheek, I believe, and one eyeshadow palette along with some mystery product. So let's see what we have. Okay, so first oh yes ma'am. Come on, Juvia. All this for $16? So the first thing I got is the Queen palette, and this is their collaboration palette that they did with Fenty. If you don't know who she is, you in the dark. I love her to pieces. She is amazing. So I am very excited. Like, okay, I can wrap it up, go home, I'm done. I've wanted this palette anyway. So yeah, this is turning out to be a great buy, like literally just with the first item. So I'm taking it out of the box. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this. And I'm sorry, even if y'all seen this palette before in other reviews, even if you owned it yourself, a good eyeshadow palette never goes out of style. This is not one of those, oh, that was last season. Girl, if the pigment is still there, the palette is still worthy. I am so excited to have this palette. Oh my gosh. And then the names that she gave the shade to Adrian. If you're a fan of Fumi, you know Adrian is her baby boy. Oli is her husband. Glam, because she's all things glam. Sister to Sister, which is a segment on her YouTube that she has now. There's just the two that I'm not particularly familiar with. Well, I guess FDV would be her initials. FDV approved, and then 7. Not necessarily sure what 7 means. But yes, we are starting off great. So let's see what else we have in here first. Oh, okay. This is another collab product. This is La Mariposa Yummy Yummy Lip Gloss. She is another big influencer that partnered with Juvia's Place on several different projects. This girl, oh my gosh, her skin is sick. Oh man. Okay, let's see, what is this? Oh, this is cute. Okay. I mean, me personally, I would probably, because it's so glittery and iridescent, I would probably use it as like a lipstick topper, not necessarily one to wear by itself. But this is a very pretty iridescent lip gloss. Okay, Juvia. Y'all got a little something going on. All right. So, if you guys, I'm sure all of you are familiar with Juvia's Place, they just expanded their product line, their product list, the products that they offer, and they have now included brow products such as pencils, pomades, those sorts of things. I have a brow pencil from their new extended product line. It is I Sculpt, I Shade, and this is their brow pencil in Ebony. I was just looking on their website for this, and actually I had said to myself that Ebony would be the one that, you know, would be the shade that I would get. So this is the pencil. Hopefully you guys can see it. And let's see. Okay, so on the one end we have the actual pencil. It's very thin. It's pretty comparable to, say, your Anastasia Beverly Hills or even your Huda Beauty. Okay, this is what it looks like. You guys can see that. I hope you can. And on the other side, love it, a bristle brush so you can tame them bad boys. This is awesome. This is awesome, to be quite honest. This is awesome. And the last one is the Heroin Loose Highlighter. And this one is in the shade, what is this? Y'all not gonna give me a shade? Is there no shade? No? Let's see. Okay, so yeah, this one has like no shade name. This is beautiful. I could totally see myself wearing this highlighter, using it. All I have to do is work on my complexion products. They literally gave me everything that I need, with the exception of my complexion products and mascara to do like a whole face. I am very pleased. And again, this was $16. Now, if I do the math, I'm just going back to their website. If I do the math and I go to each individual product by itself, just to kind of give you guys a understanding of what, you know, what the savings were getting this palette. Let's see. So if you hear little tap tap taps in the background, that's Jim. He has to make his presence known. Hey baby Jim. Okay, so the Eye Sculpt Eye Shade eyebrow pencil alone cost $14. Literally, just this one product is just about the price of the entire box. $14. I cannot believe that they put that in their mystery box the same month that they actually release it. Like, that is, come on now, Juvia. And let's see, so now we're gonna go to the highlight and see if they have the highlight listed. Okay, so the highlight, which is this one here, this one retails by itself $16. $14 for the newly released eyebrow pencil. I'm going to keep going because honestly, now we've already topped the amount that I paid for the box. So it appears that these two, the highlighter and the brow pencil, are still active SKUs on the Juvia's Place website. The Queen palette and the Yummy lip gloss, the SKUs for these two have been removed. They're not showing up on the website, which honestly to me makes it all the more special because I waited kind of late in the season to try and get a Fenty palette, and yet I was still gifted one in the mystery box. So that is it, guys. My opinion, I would love to see them do something like this, if not every month, because sometimes people might get burnt out, at least maybe once a quarter, you know, biannually or something like that, maybe one every 3 months or so. I would definitely not be opposed to some sort of subscription, you know, package to where you could expect, you know, a cute little box like this every 3 months or so. Hopefully, you know, Juvia's Place is kind of looking at all of these different reviews and taking into account, you know, the good feedback that they hopefully are getting from a lot of their consumers, myself included, because I am definitely here for this sort of thing. I don't know about you guys, but I definitely enjoy getting that surprise box every now and again that you may expect, but you just don't know what's in it. Yeah, so that is all I have for you good people. Sound off in the comments. Let me know, have you guys purchased this box? Are you on the fence about it? You know, what are your thoughts about it? What are your thoughts about the items that were actually included? Because me, I'm impressed and very satisfied. So much so I think I'm probably going to play with my products very soon. Who knows, maybe I'll do a video on it. But for now, thank you guys ever so much for watching. Jim, I'm gonna need you to chill for a second. This is the end of the video, I'm almost done. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you as always for your support. And I'm gonna leave you guys with a video to keep you guys entertained until we meet again. So on that note, we shall chat again soon.